Hi guys, for today's video, I'll be doing my school makeup routine. And makeup na to, very quick and simple lang para, iwas late. And presyong estudyante lang kasi dapat affordable since students lang naman tayo, And, yun lang naman pala yung gusto kong sabihin sa intro na to. Yung makeup look na gagawin natin ngayon para din to sa mga eyeglasses wearers like me. Yung grado ng mata ko is almost 700. Nearsighted. So, kung nearsighted ka din like me, chances are, kapag nagsusuot ka ng eyeglasses, lumiliit yung mata natin sa salamin natin. So, yun, yung makeup look na gagawin natin for our eyes today ay something that will make our eyes look more awake. So, yan guys, para kahit naka-eyeglasses ka, maganda pa rin yung eyes mo and you don't look sleepy and all. I don't wear makeup to school every day, but when I want to do so, yung look na gagawin natin ngayon, yung normally na ginagawa ko. Still go to school ng sobrang bare face na I don't care kung makita ng classmates ko. So, let's start. Okay guys, so nag-prime na ako ng face ko kanina. So, yun ang pa-prime ng face ngayon. And normally sa school, ang mahalagang kino-conceal ko lang talaga ay yung eye bags ko. So, wala na akong masyadong pake sa pimple marks ko kasi my point is, I'm gonna be with real people throughout the school hours, throughout the day. So, might as well be the real me, Just let my classmates see yung mga araw-araw ko na kasamang people. So, masanay sila sa, talaga yung itsura ko,
I don't wanna try every day. I don't care if people judge me. Dapat masanay sila na pimples are really happening.
So, yan. Dahil dyan, yung eye bags lang natin yung i-conceal natin. Ayan. And, so, ayan. Na-conceal na natin yung eye bags natin. That's it. Kilay. Buo na ulit siya, guys. Amazing. Going back. So, hindi na natin siya masyadong i-on flick, guys. Enough lang para ma-define yung brows natin. By the way nga pala, guys, naka-thread yung brows ko ngayon. Kasi nagpa-thread ako para sa grad ball. So, ayan, medyo tumutubo na siya. Pero, nare-realize ko na maganda pala talaga kapag naka-thread yung brows mo. So, let's see kung sisipagin ba ako magpa-thread always. So, using the same brow product, pwedeng finger mo lang or kuha ka ng brush like this para lang ma-apply mo siya sa eyes mo. Kasi, pag naglagay tayo ng color na ganito sa eyes natin, mumukhang awake yung eyes natin, ganun. So, ganito yung ginagawa ko, guys. So, share ko lang sa inyo, ganun. By the way, yung lash lift ko, ayan pa rin siya, guys. Naka-lash lift pa din.
She knows it, I love her. She knows it.
So, ngayon naman mag-mascara tayo, guys. I'm thinking to use my clear mascara, pero dahil nga ito ay hindi naman masyadong magbibigay ng definition sa eyelashes natin dahil clear lang siya at hindi niya masyadong mapapa-awake yung eyes natin, mag-mascara na talaga tayo, guys.
Controls it all.
Wait, so medyo bumababa na yung lashes ko sa kabilang eyes. So, curl natin. Okay, so di na sila pantay. My God. Ngayon ko lang kinurl yung lashes ko ulit. Ouch. Okay, so we're done with the eyes. Sa cheeks naman tayo and sa lips. So, right now, what I'm thinking to use ay, of course, lip tint para mas magtagal siya sa lips natin, sa cheeks. Para, you know, hindi tayo masyadong retouch sa school. Because ain't nobody got time for that. So, kuha lang kayo ng kahit anong lip tint or cheek tint na meron kayo dyan. But right now I'm using my Sunflower Kiss lip tint. Kasi ito yung meron ako ngayon, guys.
She knows it, I love her. She knows it, she knows it, I love her. I controls it all. She knows it, I love her. She knows it. She knows it, I love her. She knows it, she knows it, I love her. I controls it.